The process of aligning a telescope for a night of observing and locating countless planets, galaxies, nebula, and supernova to view has never been easier. In today's video, I am excited to highlight the distinct benefits of Celestron's SkyPortal Wi-Fi telescope control. SkyPortal is one of the easiest methods for setting up and controlling your Celestron telescope for an enjoyable night out under the stars. Celestron's SkyPortal mobile app, included with the purchase of your Celestron telescope, is available for both Apple and Android mobile devices. If you don't have this app on your mobile device, pause this video and download it now so that you can follow along. SkyPortal connects directly to the Celestron Wi-Fi enabled NexStar Evolution series of telescopes and is compatible with all other Celestron computerized telescopes when using the SkyPortal Wi-Fi control module. Celestron telescopes share a special relationship with the amazingly powerful Sky Safari planetarium software. Native integration with Sky Safari allows SkyPortal the unique capability to control the alignment process of the telescope, permitting observers to quickly and easily get up and running every time. All modern computerized Celestron telescopes after 2006 are compatible with the Celestron SkyPortal. When trying to determine which telescope is best suited for your needs, consider the NexStar Evolution series telescopes featuring integrated Wi-Fi connectivity and an internal rechargeable battery, providing you with the most capability right out of the box. NexStar SE series of telescopes do not have integrated Wi-Fi, but are upgradable through the utilization of the SkyPortal Wi-Fi control module. The Celestron SkyPortal app provides seamless integration of the alignment process, allowing full control of the equipment without the need for your telescope's included hand controller. SkyPortal allows you to locate alignment stars with the assistance of Sky Safari planetarium software. Simply select Scope and then press the Connect and Align on the SkyPortal app. SkyPortal will walk you through the alignment process, using the Find and Compass mode to aid in your ability to properly identify the bright stars located within your night sky, and perform a multi-star alignment using the telescope's go-to capability. Throughout my astronomy outreach experience, I identified one of the most challenging skills for observers to learn is to correctly identify alignment stars. The process of locating and adequately identifying alignment stars is often a daunting task to beginner and intermediate astronomers alike. Unfortunately, this frustration is all too often the result in many newcomers not thoroughly enjoying their telescope. In some cases, they are so frustrated they give up on the hobby altogether. If you have ever been frustrated during the alignment process, losing many minutes of good observing, then the SkyPortal and the StarSense Auto Align system are for you. The StarSense Auto Align system completely automates the process of finding alignment stars and getting your telescope ready to observe without needing to identify a single star in the sky. Instead, StarSense uses a camera to replace the finder scope of your telescope, giving you similar capabilities to that of highly complex observatory-class telescopes while maintaining an effortless and straightforward setup process. Are you interested in astrophotography or just want to increase your ability to reach perfect focus? SkyPortal provides native control of the Celestron focus motor, giving you the digital precision necessary to reach critical focus for astrophotography or added control during normal visual observations. Not sure what to view next? SkyPortal provides multiple ways to ensure that you get the most out of your telescope before the clouds roll back in. During the daytime or a nighttime observing session, the SkyPortal app provides you with tonight's best, a listing of various deep sky and solar system objects, as well as multiple stars of interest. Explore galaxies like the Great Andromeda, Whirlpool, and Sombrero galaxies. Observe the birth of stars in the breathtaking Orion, Trifid, and Lagoon nebulae. Witness the death of sun-like stars as they explode as planetary nebulae like the Ring Nebula and Cat's Eye Nebula, and the death of massive stars as they erupt into supernova explosions like that of the historically famous Crab Nebula, first witnessed by Chinese astronomers in 1054 AD. I strongly recommend checking out the Tonight's Best list each time you plan to go out for a night of observing. Click on each object to learn more with incredible levels of detail geared towards helping you to appreciate the astounding complexity and scale of our cosmos. Two of the most enjoyable features of SkyPortal are the compass and find modes. Compass mode makes use of your mobile device's GPS, compass, and internal accelerometers to provide you with an unforgettable experience. When in compass mode, simply point your mobile device in the direction of the night sky you wish to learn more about, and SkyPortal provides a detailed map of the constellations, stars, planets, and deep sky objects currently in the night sky at your fingertips. Simply tap on an object of interest to select it. Tap Center to exit compass mode, center the object on your device's screen, and tap Info to learn more. If you already know an object you wish to observe and simply need to help finding it in the night sky, use the Find mode. Tap the magnifying glass button to enter Find and search for your object of interest by entering the object's name or locating it by category. Highlighted objects are currently available in the night sky, while grayed out objects are not presently visible. Tap on the object you wish to learn more about and tap Locate to enter the Find Compass mode. The Compass Find mode provides an arrow to help you to locate objects in the night sky. Once you have found an object you wish to observe through your telescope, simply go to the object directly from the SkyPortal mobile planetarium app, and your Celestron telescope will automatically move to place the object in your telescope's field of view. I suggest that when possible, choose objects that are rising in the east or are already high above the horizon to achieve the best observation results. Objects lower on the horizon suffer from significantly poorer seeing conditions, causing your object to appear blurry when viewed through a telescope. Many objects also include audio tours that walk you through the most important and interesting facts.
M13 is the most glorious of the globular star clusters. Discovered by Edmund Halley in 1715, it is the brightest and richest of the globulars north of the celestial equator. M13 appears to the unaided eye as a tiny dot within the keystone area of Hercules.
Listen to these audio tours in advance of your observations or while sharing your telescope with family and friends under the night sky. The audio tours are great for beginners and veteran astronomers alike, using familiar and easily understood language appropriate for all ages. As a teacher, I recommend using audio tours for children trying to grasp and understand what they are already viewing through the telescope. By combining the visual and auditory experiences, you will help them learn to love astronomy and produce memories that will last a lifetime. To get the most out of your night of observations, you need a plan. SkyPortal has you covered. Using the date, time, and location features within SkyPortal, you can advance time as much as 100 years into the future, providing you the ability to plan observation sessions hours, days, months, and even years in advance from any location on Earth. To change your location, simply tap on the settings icon and enter the location of your choice using latitude and longitude coordinates, using the current site of your mobile device, choosing a location from a list of available cities throughout the world, or through pinning a location on a map. Once you have chosen your location, return to the main SkyPortal screen and select the time icon. The date and time controls will appear. Select the month, date, and time of your choosing by choosing each separately and using the arrows to advance or reverse time. Once you have the correct location, date, and time programmed into SkyPortal, use the planetarium software and find icons to start planning for your enjoyable night under the stars. The great thing about SkyPortal is that it's powered by the #1 mobile planetarium app, Sky Safari. Once you have mastered SkyPortal, you may be interested in considering to upgrade your planetarium app to the more advanced Sky Safari Plus and Sky Safari Pro apps, available for both Apple and Android devices. Sky Safari Plus and Sky Safari Pro provide the same alignment and go-to functionality as SkyPortal, with additional features only available on these upgraded apps. Some of these powerful advanced features include a significantly increased catalog of objects, an observation calendar with important upcoming events to help you plan far in advance, a customized and pre-planned observing sessions wizard, field of view indicators to help you choose which telescope and eyepiece combinations work best for a particular object, and much, much more. Thank you for your interest in learning more about Celestron SkyPortal. If you have any questions or requests for future content, be sure to leave a comment below. That's all for now. Keep looking up.